and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming to you with a unboxing. Y'all already know what time it is. It's CurlBox time. Hey, CurlBox time. Hey. So this is my CurlBox right here. Y'all can't see my elite information. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And I already saw a video, so I know what it is, but I'm still super excited. Your girl is geeked. But yeah, so when you open it up, it just comes like this, and I usually just take it out of there. It's so heavy, y'all, but this is the box right here with the pink box and the black writing. So I first open it up. I'm gonna use my little scissors and cut the little front of it. Maybe. Okay. So once I cut it and open it up, be safe, babe.
Not far. 2 minutes away.
So once I open it up, it looks like this. If you can see that. So you already know what it is. It's a Palmer's cocoa butter formula line. So a Palmer's line. First thing they give you is $1 off on any Palmer's coconut butter formula hair product. And it includes 2-step hair mask. So you can't do the 2-step hair mask. But this is for the Sally's Beauty. And it expires November the 15th. So it's just a coupon. And then they give you this little poster showing you all of the products that's on the line. This is the front of it. Then they come out with a little curl booklet. It says CurlBox August 2019. I'm the magic. We the magic, sis and bro. So yes. So you open it up, it looks like this. It has a little CurlBox curl friend little card, and then this is the inside. I love the blue color, really cute. I love the hair. I love the chunky braids, just beautiful. So then we open it, and it's going to be like this, just the black on it. So once we open it up, it looks like this. So pretty. So the first thing I'm going to take out is this Palmer's cocoa butter formula with vitamin E. This is the cocoa butter and biotin length retention. This is a shine glaze serum. It locks in moisture and adds a shiny finish to dry hair, and it's color safe and it's silicone free. There's no sulfates, parabens, mineral oil. There's no gluten or any dye. And this is 3.4 fluid ounces. It just looks like this. And you know I'm coming with a review, and I still have a review that's on the way from the other box that I got last month. It smells really good. It seems really thick, but we'll talk about that when I do the review. So this is the first product that we have. The second product we have in here is the Length Retention Cream Styler. It's a creamy formula for coil definition, and it's color safe. It looks like this. So I cannot wait to use this. I guess this is what you use if you're doing a twist out or you're doing a wash and go. This is the product that's going to get you going. The next thing I have is a conditioner. This is the instant moisture and softness with vitamin E and antioxidants. It's color safe, and it's 12 fluid ounces. It just looks like this. Then I have the shampoo. This is a gentle moisturizing cleanser, and this is color safe as well, and it's 12 fluid ounces. Okay. It smells peculiar. The last thing we have is this cocoa butter and biotin. This is the leave-in conditioner. It detangles, it's heat protection, and it's a moisturizer. And it looks like this, and it is a spray top. This is 8.5 fluid ounces. So let's just see. So we got the conditioner and the shampoo. We got the leave-in. We got the serum. And we got the cream styler. So they have 2 more products. They have a styling nectar that was not in there. It looks like this. And then they also have a retention to step mask. It just looks like this, if you can see that. But other than that, we got all the other products. So there were 5 products in here for us to try from the line. I'm so super excited, you all. I cannot wait to try these products. I definitely am going to have a review on these products, and y'all know your girl gonna do her good old-fashioned twist out. But I'm so excited to have received this. I have been looking at this and wanting this for a while, but your girl was like, one day CurlBox gonna have it in a box, and what are you saying? They did, and your girl got it. So I got you on the review. But yes, those are all the things that was in my August 2019 curl box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you better not forget to subscribe to my channel, because if you're not subscribed, like, sis, bro, what are you really doing? But yes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Musics44. Until next time.